Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial of TechQuest, and I'm back with a new video on how you can reset your Discord password. If you're unable to log in because of your incorrect password, first of all you need to do is open up your Discord application, and then on a login interface you'll be able to see right at the bottom forgot your password. So click on the link. As you click on the link, next interface a verification code will be sent through an SMS or an email, so you need to check your contact information that you've provided on your Discord account. In case you have provided email address, then you need to open up your email. Similarly, if you have provided a phone number, then you need to check for the SMS. If you have received a verification code, then you need to enter it, and sometimes instead of verification you'll be receiving a link, so you need to click on it in order to reset it. So as you click on it, next interface you'll be able to create a new one, or you'll be able to access the reset link, and for the confirmation you'll be asked to type in twice, and then you've successfully reset your Discord password. And now you can log in with your new password. And that is how you can reset your password on Discord. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also make sure to comment down below. Thank you for watching.